There are a few common reasons why the Logitech G335 microphone might not be picking up your voice. First, ensure the headset is properly connected to your computer. Next, check the physical mute switch on the headset itself. Make sure it's not toggled to the mute position. Also, check that the microphone boom is fully extended. It needs to be in position to function properly. Finally, ensure the headset and microphone are selected as the default audio input device in your computer's sound settings. If the hardware checks out, the issue likely lies in your software settings. On Windows, go to Sound Settings by searching in the Windows bar. On macOS, go to System Preferences, then Sound, then Input tab. Select your G335 headset and adjust the input volume slider. Also, check for software conflicts. Programs like Discord or TeamSpeak have their own input settings that might override system defaults. Make sure the G335 is selected as the input device within these applications as well. If problems persist, try updating your audio drivers or reinstalling Logitech G Hub software.